Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best gaming earbuds you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on sound quality, comfort, performance, and price. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for budget gaming earbuds or a more premium model with pounding bass, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Klim Fusion earbuds. These are our best budget gaming earbuds. If you're looking for earbuds for gaming that are comfortable enough for long gaming sessions, deliver decent immersion for your games, and most of all are affordable, then the Klim Fusion in-ear headset is a great cheap option for you. Currently priced at $20, the Klim's buds have memory foam inserts, so you know they're going to be comfortable. Plus, they come in different sizes, so you'll be sure to get the perfect fit. You'll find they fit nice and snug, and yes, they're super pleasant to wear even for extended periods without any discomfort, which is almost never the case with cheap earbuds. They either fall out or you want to rip them out because they feel so uncomfortable. The build quality is good with metal construction and not plastic, considering the price. They're also magnetic, so you can keep them safe around your neck when not in use. You'll be really impressed by the sound quality. It's got nice detail and range, definitely better than what you might expect from its price. Plus, it does produce awesome bass. If you love bass, you'll love these for gaming. You'll hear the explosions and feel the deep rumbles. As you might expect, there's no active noise cancellation at this price point, but the memory foam fits pretty snug and blocks out most of the surrounding noise. The microphone is built into the inline remote and is decent enough that your teammates won't mistakenly misunderstand attack the flank from attack the front. The key features are build quality, backed by a 5-year warranty, memory foam buds. Every ear is different, so the memory foam forms to your ears perfectly. The pros are price, unbeatable price for the performance. Comfort, memory foam buds are super comfortable. Sound quality, performs way beyond its class. No buzzing, no distortion, great bass. Carry case, you also get a nice carry case for the price. And for the cons, a little bass heavy when listening to music. If comfort is high on your list for a solid pair of cheap earbuds, Klim Fusion's memory foam buds contour to the shape of your ear for that perfect fit. Throw in the fact that these cheap earbuds perform way beyond its class in sound quality, then these earbuds may be perfect for you. Pay a little, get a whole lot. The 4th product on our list is the Turtle Beach Battle Buds. These are our best value with boom mic gaming earbuds. If you're a gamer looking for affordable gaming buds with a boom mic for in-game chats rather than the usual mics on inline remotes, then the Turtle Beach Battle Buds wins the battle for the best gaming buds for you. Currently priced at $20, the Battle Buds are designed for gaming with gaming-oriented sound profiling for immersive sound and delivers a nice soundstage with Dolby Atmos for positional audio, and the 10mm speakers produce crisp highs that are aggressive to reveal enemy movements more distinctly and clearly, while lows are full with plenty of impact. Overall, the sound is exceptionally impressive coming from buds in this price range. You'll find wearing them pretty comfy. There are several tips to give you a better fit. They also have stabilizers like the Samsung Galaxy Buds that fit securely to the contours in your ear. The only thing you may feel is a little awkwardness in public, since the buds stick out quite a bit from your ears. What sets the Battle Buds apart from most gaming earbuds is the boom mic. You won't find many that have a boom mic, let alone a removable one. That's a big bonus right there. The unidirectional boom mic has high sensitivity to pick up your voice with clarity that your squad will fully appreciate. Once you remove the boom mic, there's another mic in the inline remote, so you can still chat and take calls when you're not gaming. The features are inline controls for volume, muting, and multifunction for mobile devices. Versatility, detachable boom mic for regular use. The pros are price, solid performance for a great price. Sound quality, 10mm speakers produce crisp highs and thundering lows. Fit, several tip sizes plus stabilizers for fit and comfort. And for the cons, mic sensitivity. Have to remember to keep it low. High sensitivity also means it picks up quite a bit. Sticks out. The earbuds stick out from your ears. If you're looking for affordable gaming earbuds with a boom mic for in-game chats, then the Turtle Beach Battle Buds with their detachable boom mic is perfect for your gaming needs. The 3rd product on our list is the HyperX Cloud earbuds. These are good overall gaming earbuds. If you're a gamer, you'll be familiar with the HyperX name and their reputation for great gaming products, so it shouldn't come as a surprise that they would also have a great pair of earbuds just for gamers. Whether you're looking for excellent gaming buds for your Nintendo Switch or prefer playing on your mobile device, the HyperX Cloud earbuds are optimized for handheld mode on the go and deliver great performance and comfort. Currently priced at $30, the snazzy red and black in-ear headphones with red cables make a great aesthetic statement and deliver comfort and performance to match. You'll first notice these buds aren't typically round and are more oval design, a bit similar to AirPods. You'll get 3 different sizes of the patented silicone ear tips that provide you with signature HyperX comfort, making them great for long gaming sessions. The immersive sound quality is very good, with enhanced bass, crystal clear highs, mids, and lows that nicely produce footsteps, gunshots, and explosions, and similar sounds pretty crisply. You'll find that the overall soundstage is great, and it doesn't distort even on full volume. HyperX takes the minimalist design to heart with its inline remote, giving you just one button that's multifunctional. It looks clean and elegant, but a dedicated volume rocker would have been great. The mic is on the remote and works well. The rest of your squad will report back to you on how great you sound. The key features are connector, 90-degree connector for streamlined connection, especially when it's in a bag or your pocket. Cable, it's red, rubberized, tangle-free, very cool. The pros are aesthetics. It's well made and looks strikingly cool. The red with black accents makes it pop compared to typical black or white buds and cables. Inline remote, nice minimalist design. Cable, 4-foot-long red rubberized cable with a flat, tangle-free design. Sound quality, immersive with enhanced bass and good soundstage for gaming. Microphone, great microphone for in-game chat. And for the cons, single button. Although it's multifunctional, more than one button would be more convenient. Gaming sound, the single drive output is not suited for music if you're an audiophile. If you're looking for a great gaming earbud for your Switch or mobile gaming, then the HyperX Cloud earbuds are optimized for gaming on the go. Built with HyperX sound, performance, and comfort, it's an excellent option to consider, especially if you're gaming on a Switch. The second product on our list is the Sony MDR XB50AP. These are our best bass gaming earbuds. If you're a bass head looking for a pair of great gaming earbuds with loud resonating bass that puts you right in the middle of the battlefield, then the Sony MDR XB50AP Extra Bass may be the best bass earbuds for you. Currently priced at $28, the MDR XB50AP Extra Bass are one of the most popular earbuds for gaming, designed just for bass heads. It features bass duct design, which is a tightly sealed acoustic design that allows for a high level of sound isolation and delivers a powerful and extended bass response. In addition, specially designed 12mm dynamic drivers with high-energy neodymium magnets help expand the deep, powerful bass. You'll definitely feel all the boomy explosions around you for the immersive gameplay with the expanded soundstage. Coming from Sony, the quality build is no surprise. The hybrid silicone earbuds fit snug and securely, and you'll find them very comfortable, although they are a bit on the heavier side. Many Sony earbuds have active noise cancellation, but unfortunately the Sony MDR XB50AP only offers passive noise isolation. At least it's surprisingly good and one of the top in its class. Because the earbuds fit extremely well and snug, it helps to greatly reduce the ambient sounds. The mic is on the inline multi-purpose remote, but it doesn't have a dedicated volume. The key features are sound quality. 12mm dome-type driver units deliver powerful deep bass with high-energy neodymium magnets for powerful sound. Bass duct design. Tightly sealed acoustic design for great sound isolation for a powerful and extended bass response. The pros are comfort. Hybrid silicone earbuds fit snug and securely for maximum comfort. Loud, even when used with your smartphone. Carry case. You get a convenient soft carry pouch. Cord. Tangle-free Y-type flat cord with slider. And for the cons, sticks out. The earbuds stick out of the ears like many Sony earbud designs. The Sony MDR XB50AP Extra Bass delivers great bass, and a lot of it. If you're a gamer that loves booming explosions and rumbles, then you're going to love these earbuds. It'll put you right in the middle of the action for that great immersive gaming experience. The first product on our list is the Razer Hammerhead Pro V2. These are our best overall earbuds. If you're looking for one of the best gaming earbuds for on-the-go gaming, then the Razer Hammerhead Pro V2 may be the choice for you. Currently priced at $60, the Pro V2 is optimized for gameplay and features 10mm extra-large dynamic drivers for amazing sound. The sound is really impressive with the optimized inner acoustics chamber that delivers massive oomph in the bass, especially playing war games with heavy gunfire and explosions. The low-end response is amazing. You'll notice Razer has boosted the lows and highs while dampening the mids for optimum gaming sound. So in addition to the booming explosions with the energetic highs, you'll also hear the subtle movements of your enemies to place them in the sound space and delivering overall sound to be much larger than they actually are. Although the sound is great, the noise isolation is only average. Ambient noises filter in if you have the volume set low, but in most cases, while playing at normal volume levels, it won't be too distracting. As with all Razer products, you can expect excellent build quality, and the Pro V2 doesn't disappoint. Its aluminum housing gives them a great durable feel. The new flat-style cable is tough and tangle-free, so now you can just pull them from your bag or pockets without having to waste your time tediously untangling your headphones every time. The inline remote features 3 buttons for quick actions and control. The mic is great for in-game chats as well as calls and picks up your voice clearly even when you're in noisy environments. The key features are drivers. Features extra-large 10mm dynamic drivers for amazing acoustic clarity and bass power. Optimized for gameplay. Great game profile with boosted bass and highs. The pros are sound quality. Powerful sculpted audio is good for both games and music. Connector. 90-degree connector for streamlined connection, especially when it's in a bag or your pocket. Build quality. Great build quality with aluminum housing and durable cable. Carry case. You also get a nice carry case. And for the cons, noise cancellation. Poor isolation, ambient noise bleeds in. If you're a gamer on the go looking for the best gaming earbuds that are optimized for gameplay to deliver that immersive sound with heavy bass and energetic highs, then the Razer Hammerhead Pro V2 may be the choice for you. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.